Hello, my dear students. How are you? Again, welcome to my channel. Today, I will give you some problems related to the molarity of the solution. Yesterday, I have told you how the molarity is defined and calculated. So, one more question I will take here. The question is: a commercial sample of H2SO4 is marked as 9.8% W by W, specific gravity 1.824. There is a commercial sample marked as 98% W by W and specific gravity 1.824. Then question is: find the molarity of the solution, the above solution. So here two things are given. Number one, 98% W by W, it means weight ratio. A commercial solution of H2SO4, 98% weight by weight means 98 gram of H2SO4 present in 100 gram solution, and specific gravity is given as 1.824. So specific gravity, what is specific gravity? Specific gravity is the density with respect to the standard material. Standard material means if the commercial sample is liquid, then the density with respect to water. Take water as a standard. The specific gravity 1.82, it means 1.824 times heavier than the density of water. So if we have find out the density of the sulfuric acid, we multiply with the density of water. So how will we calculate here? Let us see. Molecular weight of H2SO4, that is 98, 1 into 2 plus 32 into 16 into 4, that is 98. 98% weight ratio, it means 98 gram of sulfuric acid present in 100 gram of solution. Now, specific gravity is the density of solution with respect to water. So, the density of water is 1 gram per ml. Then density of H2SO4, specific gravity into 1 gram per ml, that is specific gravity multiplied by 1, that will be 1.824. In other words, we can say it is the density of the H2SO4 in gram per ml. In gram per ml. Now, 98 gram sulfuric acid present in 100 gram divided by density, that is volume. Density in gram per ml. So the volume will come in ml. This is gram per ml divided by then ml. It means 98 gram H2SO4 present in 100 by 1.824 ml of solution. Now here gram moles of H2SO4, that is in 98 gram, the weight of H2SO4 divided by the molecular weight. So it will be 98 by 98 is 1. It means 98 gram H2SO4 equivalent to 1 mole, and volume of the solution 100 by 1.824 ml, this value. This is in ml, so if we convert in the liter, divided by 1000, and it will be 1 by 18.25 liter. So we have calculated gram moles of H2SO4 and volume of the solution in liter. So molarity, gram moles of H2SO4 divided by volume of the solution in liter, 1 by 18.24, that means 18.24 m. It means the molarity of the solution is 18.24. So the first answer is molarity 18.24. This commercial sample has the molarity this. Then second part what says? Second part is says find the volume of H2SO4 required to make 200 ml m by 2 H2SO4 solution. Suppose you have to prepare m by 2. M by 2 means molarity is half. M by 2 means half. Molarity is half. यानी 0.5. अगर आपको m by 2 मोलर सोल्यूशन बनाना है 200 ml, तो व्हाट वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस कमर्शियल सोल्यूशन विल रिक्वायर. सो लेट अस सी कैसे करेंगे. नंबर फर्स्ट, कैलकुलेट द ग्राम मोल्स required in this solution. So here number of gram moles of H2SO4 required, volume into molarity. Molarity is defined as m equal to moles divided by volume. If we calculate the moles, तो वो molarity into V. So molarity is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 volume 200 ml. 200 ml convert in liter 1000. तो 1 is 0.1. So gram moles is 0.1. 200 ml m by 2 H2SO4 solution contain 0.1 mole. So it means how much quantity of this sample we take which contain the mole 0.1. Now suppose x ml we have taken from this commercial solution, that is 18.25 मोलर. इसकी मोलरिटी मालूम है. x वॉल्यूम अगर हमने लिया तो x by 1000 into मोलरिटी, दिस इज द ग्राम मोल, that will equal to this, that will equal to 0.1. So 0.1. So here s is the volume. इसका x वॉल्यूम if we have taken the value is 5.5 ml. It means 5.5 ml of this solution equivalent to 200 ml of m by 2 H2SO4 solution. यानी we take 5.5 ml and make up with water up to 200 ml, you will get 1 by 2 solution. I think it is clear.